Yes, this is Farhan, and I am here with a very new strategy of Forex. And this strategy is very useful for scalping trader, and especially if you just wanted to work for 2 3 hours in a day, in any 2 3 hours in a day, as per their desire. And the scalping strategy is best for three main time frame: minute 1, minute 5, and minute 15. But I recommend that they should be used for minute 5. Now, second one is a requirement. It is not a requirement. Basically, it's a recommendation that this strategy can be used for any pair, but European pairs and GBP pair are the most relevant pair for this strategy. Now, let's start for that. Uh, First, what will you do? This is basically a moving average strategy. You need to have click on the indicator, trend, moving average, right? What you suggest, 50 time frame, 50 time frame. And the second one, it should be a simple, not moving average. That will be a simple and close, right? And any color you like, and I think yellow color is suitable for that. I use yellow color, but any color that is good for you, you can use that. Okay, this is the first strategy. This is the first basically a line that we'll use. Okay, sorry, right. 50 second one is that is 15 simple close. All the things will be same, and that will be color will be right, right. And third one is indicate moving average, and that will be 10. That will be right. 10 simple and close, right? And the color will be as you like. That is not issue. And basically I'm getting this color because I'm just getting this color according to my choice and according to my my chart likeness. Basically sometime you like your color, and sometimes you don't like the color, because I like this color much. So this is the reason I apply this. Anyway, come to the just move to the next part of the. Now what will you do? Now you have chosen three. You have chosen, you have applied three different moving average. First is 50, second was 50, then it's 15, then it's 10. And all moving average are simple, not exponential or other. Those are simple, right? What will you do? This is basically a trend. 50 moving average is describe about the trend, and another two 15 and 15 and 10 moving average will describe about in this according to these two moving average line, you will mark your sale and purchase trading, right? Now whenever the remaining 15 and 10 moving average have crossed the 50 average moving average, so this is a basically indication that now it's a downtrend. Now it's a downtrend. So you can easily see that this is a downtrend. Okay, right now. Now what will you do? You will need to have wait. You will wait. You will not have a trade on that. In this stage you will not have a trade. You will wait whenever the 10 moving average cross the 15 average. I repeat, whenever the 10 moving average 50 cross the 15 moving average, so you will have a trade like this. Whenever 15 in a sell trend, you will search only sale trade on downtrend, because this is a downtrend. You will only wait for downtrend. This is basically a very good chance, a very good opportunity of sell. Okay, we are crossed. This is sale trend, and now this is sale opportunity for you. Now you have a great sell trend over here, right? One thing I would like to clarify that whenever the moving average cross the red line, across the 10 moving average to the 15 moving average in the sell zone, so you will have to wait at least a one candle that should be cross, that should be crossed like this. Cross here, and after 1 to 2 candle like this, after two 1 or 2 candle, you will create a a sell entry. Okay, you will not create a buy entry over here, right? Right, this is basically a this is basically a sale area and sell indication. You can have very good chances of a sell opportunity, right, or right over here, right over here. And this is basically a buy entry. So you will purchase a buy entry, you will have a buy entry? No, because this is a sale zone. You need to focus on just sale entry, not a buy entry. So this is a buy entry, you will not consider about this entry. Okay, right. Now again, market is considering about the sell entry, and 10 moving average has crossed the 15 right over here. You can also see that. But what I have already told you, that whenever after two or three candle, after two, whenever this candle and one more candle have completed, so you can have a sell entry, but not right now. Just need to wait for one, two, three, one or two candle. Okay, for the just confirmation. Basically this is basically confirmation area. This is basically opportunity, but you need to have completely um, completely confirmation before going for trade. Okay, this is basically area of consolidation, right? Consolidation marketing. Market is basically consolidated over here, so you don't need to have trade over there, right? Okay, right over here, right over here, when a market have cross the 50 moving average right now, you need to have wait for sell entry. This is buy entry, not a sell entry. No need for trade. This is the sell entry, right? You will have to have a sale, and when the market is coming from this to this. Okay, how much pips? 100. Best. Very good. This is a very good strategy. I recommend that this is not a sale. Basically, this is not only sale and sell indicator. You can also find out a buy opportunity over here, but I could not check any buy. Yeah, this one. Now I have the cross this both line have crossed the 50 moving average. Moving ahead, you have to wait. One thing, this may be a little bit can consider for a buy entry, but this is not area where you can get a buy, because these are the basically news area. Okay, the two candle, a very big candle, that is not considered to be buy or sell. So I think it should not be it should not be considered for that. Okay, right. Over here, if we can see that here. Okay, right. The here, right. These are two amount two basic point where you can have buy. So this is basically indicator, and main point of this thing, this indicator has a three moving average, 50, 15 and 10, and all are simple, not exponential, right? So you will need to have wait. You will need to have a wait for scalping and confirmation. Whenever you will have opportunity of a buy opportunity in buy zone, you will have you need to have trade on that. Okay, you need to have trade on, like this. I have already told you, this is sale zone. This is a sale zone. Okay, you will need to wait for sale opportunity. This is a sale zone. Now this is sales opportunity. Have a trade of sell, right? And even whenever you have a trade of that here, so you will have a much more good, very good pips over here, right? So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all that thing. I will in future I will try to give you more indicators and more tips and more signals about forex. Thank you so much. Thank you.